Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by freeing resources. Delete or move non-essential games so Marvel Rivals has at least 10 to 15 GB free. Once done, close party chat, streaming apps, and any active downloads because they consume CPU and bandwidth. Then perform a full power cycle. Shut down, wait 30 seconds, unplug, then restart to clear memory leaks and reset network hardware. These steps reduce local contention and often produce an immediate frame rate and late. Next, optimize your network and performance settings. Connect via wired Ethernet or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. Wired is preferred because it stabilizes latency. Assign a static IP to the console and forward the game port so packets aren't delayed by NAT translation. In-game, lower resolution or cap frame rate and disable VSync to reduce input lag. These adjustments trade visual fidelity for smoother input response and fewer packet drops, which finish by ensuring your console firmware and the game are up to date. Patches often fix network and performance bugs. Test matches with a single account and clear the console cache. If problems persist, reinstall the game to remove corrupted files. If lag continues, run a speed test and check for high jitter or packet loss. Document results. If you still see issues, contact your ISP or game support with those metrics so they can escalate. This is the key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.